How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. Where on Tuesdays, I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the premier Blue Ivy. I am back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and yes, I heard you loud and clear. You've been hitting me up recently saying, Mr. Tiny, I love what you do, baby, but what I need you to do is bring that quality that we know and love from recreational resort cottages, but come in at a great price point to make me hop up off the sofa while I'm watching this video. And you've asked for me to come in with a home under 100K, since so many lately have been over that price point because we have decked it out with a plethora of options. Well, here today, I've granted your wishes with the Premier Blue Ivy. As you see this home today, it is 15 feet wide, 32 feet long, including this 6-foot exterior porch. And it's on sale today for $84K. $84,000. You'll get everything that you see today besides furniture and decor. And that is going to be a great steal of a deal once you see the functional floor plan that this Premier Blue Ivy has to offer. But starting here on the exterior, you'll see that we are boasting a blue exterior paint color, as well as pairing it with the snowy mount, porch post, and privacy slatted rails. And then we've topped it all off with a metal roof. So if you're subscribed like you should be, you know the entire exterior of the home has 30 years of warranty, including this composite Trex decking. Matter of fact, come around so you can get a better look of this composite Trex decking that is going to have a 30-year warranty. And when you have 6 feet of exterior living space, this gives you plenty of options where you can accommodate outdoor seating, outdoor furniture. You could put a small jacuzzi tub out here if you wanted to get crazy. But matter of fact, go ahead and look up at the interior porch ceiling. You'll see 4 exterior cam lights, pre-wired and braced for a ceiling fan. And then even right here on the front door, we have a cottage style door, and we added just a little splash of neutral color by painting the front door in gray. And you'll notice the blue, white, and gray color tones as we enter this beautiful Premier Blue Ivy. Now follow me in and you'll see 84K. Yes, 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 you may purchase this today for 84K, the Premier Blue Ivy. As soon as you walk in, that 15 feet of interior living space is going to give you ample options right here starting in the living room. You can easily accommodate a small sofa like we've done so today, or you can even go big boy style and put a traditional size sofa right here on the main wall if you choose not to have any side tables. That is an option for you there. Also, you got a great black Duffy ceiling fan centered there in the middle. Notice all the interior trim is painted in gray, so that is going to give you some nice contrast between the white walls and the gray trim. We've even added 2 clear story windows right here to bring in some natural light. And what I love is the fact that we chose not to include an entertainment center right here in the living room. We left that out so you could, of course, add the decor of your choice. This gives you more space to do so, and it's already pre-prepped for TV jack and outlet right here behind this decor piece. So you have that ready to go. And also you can get a great look of the cottage style door. Notice the outside was gray. The inside is painted white to kind of go with the space here. But what I love is the functionality of the Premier floor plan, separated right here by an island that you'll see on wheels that can roll out of the way as you need. We are going to have the darker tone countertops going throughout right here on the island. But notice, when I say throughout, it's just throughout this island, literally, because as you see here, we chose to go with the Calcutta style countertop throughout the kitchen. And that pairs with the gray painted cabinets. Notice we have the black hardware. We're going to have the hardware on the drawers and then the bar pulls on the cabinets. So that is a great feature. We paired it with a white farm sink here, the black swan faucet, and then you'll see here that we have the matte gray hexagon mosaic backsplash going from the countertop up to the bottom of the cabinet. Notice we have the gray cabinets down low and the white cabinets up top. Again, pairing that aesthetic, making it seem so much more modern, so much more luxury, but at a great price point. Also, get a great look of these clear story windows up top. Again, bringing in that natural light. We have stainless steel appliances in this model, smooth top oven. We have the microwave up above, and we kept it standard style with the refrigerator with fridge down low and the freezer up top. And notice as we come back here, you'll see that there is no carpet in this model. There's no carpet in here, so ease of access, ease of clean. You don't have to worry about that. And then right here, we have your space already pre-prepped for your stackable washing machine and dryer. Also, we have a pocket door here separating the main area from your bathroom. And as you come into the bathroom, you'll see here we continue the gray cabinetry down low, the Calcutta countertops, and then we've added the gray tile with one row there, and then we've added the floating white linen cabinet right there. So this gives you extra prep space for you to utilize here in the bathroom. Also, get a great shot of this shower. Yes, we did that. I'll tell you that. We did that. And as you see here, you're going to have the tile in more of the square pattern going throughout, but we've added that hexagon accent band going right down the center, all the way up to the transom window, trimmed out in the gray paint. So again, ladies and gentlemen, those aesthetics, making it seem cutting edge, but at a great price point. And as you make your way into the bedroom, again, this is a great option, and why this premier floor plan is so popular, because at 15 feet of width, you can go with a king size bed in a 399 square foot tiny home. Don't believe me? Well, think again. You can actually see where I put my money where my mouth is in my series called Living Tiny with Mr. Tiny, where you will see some models that are 15 feet wide, tiny homes coming in at 399 square feet, and clients are living in them with king size beds in the bedroom. So please do so if this is your first time to the channel. But let's continue. You'll see right here, we have two clear story windows here in the bedroom. We also have the built-ins right over here with the 4-drawer dresser. And then we again finish it out with the Calcutta countertop and allow some additional space if you would like to add a TV. And then we have the bifold doors on each side of the closet, so those open up at your convenience. We've even painted the interior shelves and rods in gray as well. And just because I painted it gray, real wood is what it is today. I'm telling you, you see right there, we've got everything as it needs to be. And notice, because this model has no loft, look at the elevated ceiling height, making this home feel so much larger than 399 square feet. Now follow me back through, and you'll see here, as I just rendezvous around the island, back into the living room of the Premier, you'll see why this is a steal of a deal. If you're currently in the market for a 399 square foot tiny home and you do not want to break your piggy bank, then 84K is what it is today. As you see again, this is the Premier Blue Ivy coming in at 15 feet wide, 32 feet long, including that 6-foot front porch. And again, it's on sale today for 84K. So if you're interested, please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video tour, so that way it can be spread to plenty of other people who are currently in the market. Also, subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you have, I appreciate you. You're part of the family. Also, leave a comment. Let me know how you enjoyed this Premier Blue Ivy. Did I do my thing? Coming in at 84K? I heard you. I'm hearing you. See, I'm for the people at the end of the day. So I'm listening to you and taking notes and trying to come out to make everyone happy, no matter what it is that you're looking for. So at 84K, again, this is a steal of a deal. Also, if you're interested in purchasing this exact model, the Premier Blue Ivy, then run on over my Instagram right now at the Mr. Tiny and let me know at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Premier Blue Ivy as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.